Hey, my name is Beckett. I'm going to walk you through two features of Shipshape for our fall update. So the first is how do you add an appliance so that you can enable the maintenance schedule and the lifespan. So first we're going to go over to our appliance summaries. We can hit this plus icon here, and we're going to say that we want to hit a new appliance. So let's add a new sump pump. And let's say that it's a Zoller sump pump and that it's maybe 6 years old. So just by giving the appliance type and manufacturer and its age, we're able to give you some estimate of how long your appliance should be lasting. So we'll hit continue, and that's it. We can go ahead and view the appliance. And we can see that the appliance does not have all the smart monitoring features. I can set those up in one moment. But you can see that we do have some estimation of how long it should last, maybe about 8 years. And if I wanted to, I could say that I have a kit or order a kit and then go through the regular setup process. So that's a quick and easy way to add appliances, even if you don't have a kit, if you just want to create a digital twin and see whether or not your appliance is close to the end of its lifespan. Okay, now let's look at our task list. So I've got a to-do list here, and maybe I want to create a new to-do list or add something to my existing to-do list. So in this case, I went ahead and created a fall checklist here, and I have a few tasks. I need to remove the leaves from the gutter, clean out the sump pump drain, replace the air filters. Let's create a new task. Grade sump pump include backup battery. This is something I know I need to do because my current sump pump doesn't have a backup battery. So I'll add it to my list of things to do in the fall. So this can remind me when an important task is coming up, and it will alert with the regular alerts on the home page to remind me that there are things on my home maintenance checklist that haven't been completed. And so those are the two quick feature updates for the Shipshape fall. Thank you, and have a good day.